Hello and welcome to another episode of Best Day Places that are always present at Best Day event. Today I have the huge honor here have Mr. Branko Putnik, GM of Lazure Hotel here in Montenegro. Branko, welcome.
Thank you, Martina, and it's an honor to have you here with us. And first and foremost, to be associated with such brand as Best Days and Best Day at Lazure.
Yes. Can you please tell us a little bit more about hotel, about Lazure?
It's difficult to squeeze it in a couple of words, but it's a heritage hotel with a strong storytelling and a timeline of 300 years of existence. It was built by Venetians in 1729 and meticulously restored in the, 2018, and first opened, and now it's a 5-star hotel with some 140 keys and well positioned here in Montenegro.
And what type of guests are you attracting to your property?
Our type of guest is an experienced traveler, and it is a guest that recognizes and values authenticity, uniqueness, and appreciates the value that he gets for the money that he pays. But maybe above all, it would be guests seeking for an experience that sees the bed and the room just as an extension of the overall experience at the destination.
And today we are all talking about profitability, and it's one of the hottest topic, like how to earn the money, how to earn more money, to be honest. And what would you say? How do you see the profitable hotel today?
Profitability, yes, probably the biggest word, but it could be okay. The simple way to see it, the way investors and shareholders love to see it, it's just when you say, I need this amount of money, I need this, I need that, and their question would be like, how much of it hits the bottom line? So profitability for them is the bottom line, but the way we want to see it, and we need to see it, if you want to be considered a leader, then it's like multi-layered thing. And if the hotel is an entity consisted of shareholders, of the managers, of the team, of the staff, then and you're asking what's profitability for the hotel, then the question is what's profitability for all these people, shareholders, managers, staff, the whole team. So, and profitability should be, if profitability is seen as a gain after transaction, then it should be all of us gaining something out of it. And that's the way I love to see it, that everyone needs to see the gain. And its gain is perceived differently by different people. It could be 100 different things for 100 different people. So someone would consider the biggest gain emotional gain. Someone is happy even with the tap of the shoulder. That's the biggest gain for him. He regardless of the money he receives at the end of the month. So, and the true leader needs to realize these things, realizes the differences, and then care for them, and then see that everyone benefits. But yes, profitability at the end of the day means that the shareholders are happy, that the managers are happy, and that the employees are happy, and then the guests are happy. So yes, it might sound a little bit philosophical, but it's yes.
This is the end.
That's the way I see it.
That's the way you see it. Yes, definitely. And today, in the world that we live, we cannot live without the technology. So, and without the partners that we are doing the business with, like you said, the employees and the shareholders and everyone. And how do you choose technology? And how do you choose partners that you are working with?
Technology, yes, the technology very important. Pardon. I guess we're gonna cut this part. And technology is a big part of doing business, and you can't imagine business without technology. And if you want to keep a pace with the competition, if you want to keep a pace with the trends, with the world, at the end of the day, you have to have adequate technology. Then how you choose technology? In order to choose technology, you have to know where you want to go, how fast you want to go, and what your competition is doing. So based on all these information, you will choose technology, and then accordingly you will choose partners. At the end of the day, it's when you say partners providing this technology, just as same as with any other partners in any segment of our business, it's important to be associated with the names you want to be associated, or not to be associated with the partners that could damage your reputation. Is the word I'm looking for.
Yes, that's really important, because reputation,
Yes.
you are building that
Yes.
for
Yeah.
many years, and then suddenly you can ruin it.
Exactly. It might be the essence, and I might jump back to the first question. In the Western business, there is only one thing that comes before profitability, before profit, and that is reputation. Hence, you have to be careful. You have to be guardian of brand reputation, of hotel reputation. And then subsequently, you will choose partners accordingly. You will choose, at the end of the day, you might even be choosing guests accordingly.
Yes,
So
that's really.
yes,
This is kind of the wisdom.
luxurious.
Yes, wisdom
Yes.
that comes with years of the experience. And we are here now in Montenegro. And where do you see the biggest opportunities for the growth in our region?
In our region, Montenegro is a very fast-growing country, and there are differences. It changes in front of before our eyes, and it's very exciting to be part of it. And the way it's positioning, it's good. Also, I mentioned the competition and the countries surrounding us, or country that we can compare with. Then we have to avoid their mistakes, and probably the biggest one would be mass tourism. To preserve its uniqueness and authenticity, which should be the key words. And then it's easy to build this luxury segment. Of course, the infrastructure and the air connection, those are a must. But the potential for the biggest growth would be authenticity, uniqueness, combined with the luxury, and then you would have an experience for the guests seeking for this kind of destinations.
You mentioned also the competition, but everyone who is working in actually any industry knows that it's really important to talk even with your competitors, because you can always exchange kind of ideas. But if you would say, from your own perspective, how would you describe what is important and why it is important that leaders like you from the region and beyond collaborate and share their ideas, say their successes and even failures?
It's very important. I mean, no man is an island. It transposes to the businesses, and transposes to the leaders and GMs. And when I said competition earlier, it could be seen as a partnership as well, and the exchanging of experience, and also, yes, speaking about how should Montenegro position itself. Okay, this is the unique and authentic part of the product of Montenegro that we want to develop and emphasize, but it's also part of the bigger destination that, big markets such as China, the more and more looking for, part of the bigger destination, and including Croatia, Bosnia, Albania, fast growing too.
And even Slovenia.
And even Slovenia,
yes. And Italy.
There you go. Yes, Italy, whole of Adriatic, and the borders are disappearing, and but authenticity and uniqueness, it has to be preserved, and the heritage as part of identity. Okay, but yes, the Montenegro. So hence, if you see yourself as a part of the bigger destination, then equally you as a leader should be part of some kind of communities, other leaders in that destination. Here, Montenegro is a small country, and here, at least in the Boca Bay, we have a small community. Even our chat WhatsApp group, where all GMs, would share experiences. And it's also nice to mention the thing we have. It's at least like once a month we will organize a dinner where we will sit down, and the organizer and the hosts would rotate. So 1 month would be Lazure, other month one and only, the next month, Hyatt, Regent, etc., in circles. And we would share experiences, exchange experiences, and so it's good. If you have a good product, if you are sure of yourself, then you may say competitor, but you will not see them as a danger. You will rather see them as an opportunity. If they grow, you follow. If they have something nice, you will see and try maybe to do it like similarly. Same for them. If they are 100% full, some GMs would be but the way we see it's like if you're 100% occupied, then it means that another guest will come to me.
Yes,
So it's we in this collaboration we see as a healthy environment, and so it's something that should be part of the culture. And then inevitably the whole destination, the business, it becomes a role model, and everyone else follows. And then it's much simpler to perform as a team.
Yes,
even
like
if you
people-
attend fairs and etc. Say you promote destination, it's much easier, and
Yes.
you come much stronger.
So
I see benefits, yes.
first be a model, then be a role model.
Exactly. Well done,
Thank you.
Martina.
Yes, thank you very much, Branko, for this lovely conversation.
Absolute pleasure.
And it will be amazing seeing you in Zagreb next February. So thank you very much for watching us, and looking forward to seeing all of you in February in Sheraton Hotel Zagreb at next Best Day event.